Clubhouse is a brand new social media platform that's so fun. It's all audio voices, so you don't have to show your face. It's like if social media and podcasts got married and had a baby. When you get on, you can listen to or join conversations about specific topics. The app can be found in the App Store, and unfortunately, it's currently only available for iPhone users, but I have a feeling it's going to open up to the public. I think Clubhouse is going to be huge, so be an early adopter and get on there. In my next video, I'm going to talk about how Clubhouse invites work. Clubhouse is a new audio-only social media app that is currently invite-only. When you join, you're only allowed 1 to 2 invites, so use them wisely. Whoever uses your invite, you will show up permanently in their profile as the person who nominated them. If you need an invite, ask your friends or do a post on social media to see if anyone has one. Another option to get an invite is to download the app and reserve your name on the waitlist. When you are on the waitlist, some of your friends who are already on Clubhouse can let you in without using one of their invites. You can join any room in Clubhouse and listen in to the speakers and moderators. When you join, you'll see on the first row, there will be moderators who have green asterisks by their picture. Then you'll see a couple rows of speakers. You can tell who the speaker is by seeing who has the gray border around their pic. The next few rows will people who are followed by the speakers, and finally, others. You can leave any room quietly by clicking the peace out emoji. To start a chat room on Clubhouse with you as the speaker, you have 2 options. You can spontaneously start one or schedule one later. Today I'll talk about how to spontaneously start one, and then in the next video I'll teach you how to schedule one. To spontaneously start a room, click the green button that says start a room. Your friends will be notified when you start a room. You can also ping them to join the room by clicking the plus sign and their bio. You can invite others to speak by clicking their pic and following the prompts. You can schedule an event to speak in a room on the Clubhouse app. Simply click on the calendar icon at the top and then the plus sign in the upper right. Add the event title and any co-host you would like to speak with you. Co-host must be following you to be added. Next, choose the date and time you plan to chat. You can choose the option to host your event in a specific club if the club allows. Finally, add the description and you're good to go. The event will now have a link that you can share to invite others to.